Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change age on Tinder. So to change age on Tinder, what you're gonna do is open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. Now from appeared screen, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and tap on that little profile icon located at the bottom right corner. So here as you can see, I have set my age and I want to change it. For instance, so what I can do is tap on that pencil icon near my profile picture. Now here on your profile section, on your edit information section, there is no such option to change your age. Here in Tinder, there is no such option available to change your age. And once you have created your account and you have set the age, there is no going back. You cannot change your age on Tinder. If you want to change your age, you have to delete your account and recreate the new one in order to change your age on Tinder. So that is the only working method. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.